What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that affects the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you exactly what should you expect from the price section. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that potentially we might have one more leg to the upside, and first of all we have to hover for quite some time around the range of $36, and then we might hit again 1.618 extension level at the range of 42.38. And as you can see, on yesterday's session we hit it to the tick, and this means we finished this top, we finished this fifth wave, and our fourth wave is right here. And take a look how technical this asset is. This formation is in the shape of simple zigzag, and we have perfect retracement to the level where we hit this previous support line. We hit it right here, and it is the support line from our two previous tops at this point. And as you can see, this asset is very technical, and technical analysis is a very powerful tool when you know how to use it. So, and let me show you that on a previous video I've told you that we finished this internal movement. Let me show you more thoroughly. This internal movement to the upside, to the top of our third wave. And one video before that, we finished this internal movement, and we have the highest volume right here, and highest volume usually show us the third wave, the most powerful wave according to Elliott wave theory. So everything is very technical, and let me show you that for now we hit this 1.618 extension level, and I've told you in my technical analysis what should we expect and how we can catch the next potential trade. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. And first of all, let's start with the company profile. Of course, we all know that Lucid Group, a technology and automotive company, develops electric vehicle technologies. The company designs, engineers and builds electric vehicles, EV powertrains and battery systems. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $59.15 billion. It is a very high total market cap for the company that just started their first deliveries. And I have to say that the most probable we have to see some kind of retracement. But I will show you it in my technical analysis. So, and let me show you the recent news that might affect the price of this company. And we are on Seeking Alpha. This article was published on November the 5th, and it's titled Lucid Group Continuous Rally as More Positive Reviews Roll In. And I've told you multiple times that first catalyst should be the start of their deliveries, and next one will be the testimonials of first customers and of the first social medias, automotive social medias. And here it is. Let me quote you this. Lucid Group shares speed higher as positive reviews from Motor Trend and other sources continue to arrive. Motor Trend calls the 2022 Lucid Air the most compelling American luxury car in recent memory, in an almost purely positive test drive evaluation. Lucid claimed in an investor presentation that it can deliver $2.2 billion in revenue in 2022 through the sale of 20K of its luxury vehicles. The automaker said in September that it had 13K reservations and an annual production capacity of 53K. So this means we have to see, first of all, we have to see about 500 cars that should be delivered by the end of this year, and this is their first milestone. If they achieve this milestone, next milestone will be 20K in 2022. Next one will be their annual production rate at the range of 53,000 vehicles. And it is extremely important that this company should stay in line with this forecast. In this case, this company will continue its growth. Let me show you this news. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on November the 5th, and it's titled Lucid opens studio location in Washington DC metro area. And let me quote you this. Lucid Group, which is setting new standards with its advanced luxury EVs, announced its newest retail location, the Lucid Studio at Tysons Corner Center in the Washington, D.C. metro area. The new studio will open its doors to the public on Saturday, November the 6th. This location, the 11th in a growing network of Lucid Studios, joins location in New York and Florida to further expand Lucid's presence on Eastern Seaboard. And I have to say that Lucid is following the Tesla tracks. Let me show you. Lucid is following Tesla's model of displaying vehicles in malls and will open its newest retail location at Tysons Corner Center. And I have to say that this business model is proven by Tesla, because both of these companies aiming at the same segment of the market. So, and let's continue with some forecasts from TipRanks. As you can see, we have 3 ratings. 2 of them suggest to buy, 1 suggests to sell, and 0 to hold. And we have all of the prices. Even the highest price target is $30, and we have about 50% of downside potential to the average price. This means we have to be cautious with the upcoming price action. But let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned in my previous video, we have a bunch of waves and we have one more tip right here. This means we have to finish this movement from this very bottom to somewhere potentially we might hit even higher targets in order to complete this wave. And this is the third wave. In my opinion, it is the third wave from the very bottom to the very top, because right here we have our first movement to the upside, then we had this retracement, and for now we are forming the third wave. And usually the ratio in between first and third wave is 1.618. This means with this price action we hit this target, and potentially this level is extremely risky to add to your position, because we already hit our main target. So let me show you indicators. On an hourly time frame, we hit the border of in between oversold and neutral territory, and we retested it from the top. And this means we have more chances to go lower because we have this curvature. On a 4 hours time frame, let me show you, we are forming some kind of bearish divergence, and bearish divergence is the pattern when you can see lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on a price action. And with these 2 peaks, we formed higher highs, and this indicator shows us lower highs. On top of that, on a daily time frame, we have the same extremely overbought RSI, but right here we are more bullish, and if we'll have the curvature right here, this might be either double top or also a bearish divergence. And this signal shows us that potentially we might hit lower targets, and I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, this company is a very good company to put your money in. But from the technical standpoint, it is not the best point where you can enter your position as a long-term investor. That's why the shorter the period of your trading sessions, the more likely that you might catch next movement to the upside. But if you want to invest in this company, just stay aside, and I will show you in my upcoming videos where is the best point where you can enter the position or add to your position with this price action. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. I will show you my upcoming targets. If we will break this top, let me show you more thoroughly. If we will break this 1.618 extension level, our next resistance line will be at 2.618 extension level, and it is about 30% of potential profits. And the major resistance is right here at this very point at around $65, and it is our previous all-time high, as you can see. And from our the most recent and the main accumulation point for the long term right here, we potentially might have up to 170%. And to our current levels, we have about 74% of profits, and that's why, in my opinion, it is very good asset for the swing traders and for investors, but just be cautious with the long-term investment at this very point. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!